Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Facebook Messenger on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and click on keyboard and search Facebook Messenger. And click on Messenger. If you want to install Facebook Messenger, click on Messenger app and here showing you install option. Click on install and you will see installing is start and your app is installed according to your internet connection. After install app is showing on your app screen. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Facebook Messenger on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.